Here's my top 6 401k and IRA tips you need to know. Alright, let's jump into this. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Starting at number 6, know your contribution limits for your 401k and IRA accounts. And be aware that if you need to contribute more, you have educational IRAs and also a backdoor Roth IRA contribution if you really want to maximize your limits. Number 5, consider a low expense ratio fund or ETF, since managed accounts rarely beat the market. Number 4, if your employer does matching, definitely contribute enough to get all of their matching, because that's free money. Number 3, employers typically match starting at 50 to 100% of your contributions up to the total of 3 to 5% of your annual income. And so what you can do there is that, assuming that they don't have a vesting period, you can front load your contributions and get all of their contributions up front in the first couple of months. And this would make it so if you ever leave the company for any reason, all that contribution that they would give for the year is yours. Number 2, are you just going along with the default traditional thing? Well, definitely consider the Roth option, especially if you're young and you believe that you will grow your money multiple fold in this account. All your gains will be tax-free. Definitely take a look at the great calculators that are out there that uses your assumptions to compare Roth and traditional accounts to see which one is best for you. Number 1, are you planning to buy a house 5 years from now? And if you are, and a qualified first-time home buyer, definitely open a Roth IRA account so you can contribute money there and take out $10,000 tax-free for down payment and associated closing costs. Well, I hope these tips were useful for you, and let me know if you have additional tips in the comments below. And as a friendly reminder, I'm not a professional financial advisor, and these videos are for your entertainment purposes only. Thanks for watching.